So now we'll be discussing functional and structural design of highways. So it refers to the calculations and analysis made by transportation designers to fit the highway to the topography of the site while meeting the safety and service and performance standards. So what are the different elements of structural design? So basically these are the elements. First one is design speed and design traffic volume. These two parameters are very much important, and in maximum design of the traffic facilities, these two parameters plays a very important role. Then number of lanes and lane width, that is what should be the width of the road. Then level of service, that level of service means how the service characteristics of the road would be, whether it would be a expressway, or whether it would be a national highway, or whether it would be a state highway, like that. Then sight distance means the visibility ahead of the driver. Then alignment, okay, alignment means that the central line through which a highway would be constructed. Then super elevation and grades, okay. Then cross section, horizontal and vertical clearances. Then facility easy grade and curvature, enable ruling gradient in most sections, void sudden changes in sight distance, especially near crossing. So in the crossing, if you cannot provide adequate sight distance, in that case some accident may occur. So in such cases, if there is no facility is there to provide adequate sight distance, or no space is there, in that case some speed restriction can be imposed over there. Then avoid sharp horizontal curves and avoid road intersection near bend or at the top or bottom of a hill. Then location design take place at the earlier stage of a project planning. It refers to the macro level routing of a planned highway connecting two points through the existing highways, communities and natural terrain. So location design, that in simple words, it means that through which your highway should be passing through. Okay, so basically highway is constructed to make different places accessible. Okay, so location design is based on the different characteristics of that area. You need to connect all these localities. Suppose one village is there, you need to construct one new road. Okay, so suppose thereby one market is there, so your first and foremost thing is you need to connect the village with the market area with a existing road or with a new road. Okay, so that all the things which are produced in the village, that can be easily transported to the market area. Okay, similarly from the market area you need to connect another road which would be accessible to another greater market or another retailer shops. Okay, so this is basically location design. Then access design is with all the necessary inputs like land use or lane use, master plan data, population data, survey maps, geology, ecological and biological environmental information, and aerial photographs. Several potential routes are drawn up. Okay, there are different potential routes you will be drawing up, and after uh, screening, finally you will set up one road through which your final road design will be completed. Then highway alignment is the position or layout of the central line of the highway on the ground is called alignment. Now cross-sectional design, so these are different cross-sectional design, for example right of way, carriageway, camber or cross slopes, curb, road margin, shoulder. So we'll discuss all these parameter in our later classes. Then coming to the next portion, road projects in India. Now the construction of highways had reached an all-time high of nearly 6,029 kilometers during fiscal year 2015 to 16, and the increased pace is expected to continue for the coming years. Now NHAI, that is National Highway Authority of India, plans 50,000 kilometer road project worth 250 billion in next 6 years, then the Road Transport and Highway Ministry has decided to use new materials and techniques in highways projects on experimental basis to promote innovation and construction of the roads. Okay, then these are the links through which you can get some important uh, data.